Alright. Time for episode 2 of Kirby Superstar. Time to murder the Dynabug. Fuck off! Fuck you! Why does he keep trying to explain? I understand the concept of score. I need to play Jet Set Radio. I need to get like an HDMI adapter for my Xbox so we can like record it. Which I mean shouldn't be too expensive, I'm just lazy. Parasol, if I remember, is kind of one of the more like defensive power-ups because it has like one of the better guards, I believe. Because I'm an idiot and forgot about guarding in the last episode. Just like how I play fighting games. So fuck the guard. I want to win. But as you can see, you can take very much reduced damage, and also you just have like the umbrella over you to cover your head, so you don't get hit as easy. It also gives you a unique attack underwater, and you have this like little falling animation. What? Yeah, you have like the little like slow fall. Like it's not very useful because you know Kirby can fly, but like it's cool. I like it. Oh yeah, you have the command grab. Oh, I think I actually need you for something. Okay. Hello, Parasol Waddle Day. Welcome to the team. Yeah, 1-up. Let's go, boys. I don't think the 1-ups carry between sub-games. Cringe. Cringe. Throw them all, yes. It's grappling time. I'm gonna go this way. Oh, you little fucker, get the hell out of the way. Come on. Hope my commentary sounds okay, audibly. I know my commentary's kind of poop, but eh. Yo, candy, let's go with these fucking flowers. I love the speed boost of the invincibility candy. What I remember about like the Superstar Ultra Task, like Kirby's at like flying speed, like is very slow, so it's like it typically just want to be on the ground. Yeah, I can definitely feel that. Oh my god. I took the wrong path. I'm a fool. I know nothing. I played the role of the silly clown. 'Cause I'm a fool. I know nothing. I picked the role of the silly clown. One day I'll stop singing. I don't know why that just like fell into my like daily vocabulary. I'm like, oh, I need to call someone stupid. You're a fool. You know nothing. No, 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 no. Mine, 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 mine. So Cook is cool. We'll show it off in a second when I get a little bit better of a room, hopefully. Hey, is that maximum power? All systems full of power. Hey, what do I get for this? Do I win? Yo, 3-up. Let's go. Oh, fuck you. I think that's a trap. Yeah. Well, fine. Just cook the fucking thing. You turn a bunch of enemies into food. I'll actually take that real fast. I can kind of use it. Actually, I temporarily need your ability. Come here. we go. Let's go. Let's go already. Man, I want to play. Oh, Mario and Luigi. Ow! My knees! You bastard. Ah! That does so much fucking damage. Why? Why does it hurt so bad? That's rude as fuck. Oh my god. Maybe Superstar isn't easy. Fuck what people are saying. Fuck this Kirby isn't as easy. Fuck that shit. Nah, that hurt. That's like all my goddamn health. Oh, you little fucker. Fine. Yeah, I figured we needed that. Boop. Oh. The way out here. The way out is up here. Okay. I didn't mean to turn you into mirror, but give me Cutter. I could use a ranged ability for a little bit. Oh my god. A little tip with Cutter that I remember is if you like do it and then jump, and then if you throw it like backwards and then jump over it, it has unlimited range, which is kind of cool. Typically get about 2 shots, and then you can jump for the unlimited range. I love auto scrollers, best fucking part of the game. Oh my god, you can't even angle them now. Oh, this is that early version of Cutter. Oh my, ow. I don't know if I paid more attention to the fucking screen. That's mean. Oh, I should have got Wheelie Rider. That would have been fun. Yo, chicken? Jump in here. Jump in here. Thank you. Jump on you. We get Wheelie Rider, which is super cool. Whee! No, I can't share with the Wheelie Rider. Okay. It's such like a weird ability, but I love it. Yo, free bonkers. Back the fuck up. Sorry about doing that right in the mic. Oh my god. Bonk. Yo, free 1-ups. Let's go. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba, ba-da-ba-ba. Kulilimba. Ah, that's gonna be just short, isn't it? Hey, still made it. I'm the best. Oh, we got interrupted. Because they did like the Mario 3 like map enemy. Weren't you like sumo, like not sumo, or like throw, I think? Oh. No, you're just fighter. Okay. I think up here is like the bonus. It is. It's like the HAL room. Or like the copy ability room. I think that was just introduced like later in the series. How far are we in the recording? I should probably set up like a timer or something. Let's just continue on. We could probably finish this in one episode. I love how it even has like the Ryu like Street Fighter backdash. Yo, Spark? Oh no. Hadouken! Hadouken! No! No! Mine! I pressed that while coughing. I'm not taking responsibility for that. That maximum tomato could be pretty helpful. Oh, I got that one up pretty easy. Oh, god damn it. No, Sir Kibble, you little bastard. Yes! Infinite flight! Oh, let me know. Just hit the fucking bear! Ah! Wingit Plays the worst playthrough of Kirby Superstar you've ever fucking seen. I really like to give you the 2 power-ups right away, which I guess makes sense. Because that way you and your friend can play again, because this is like multiplayer, so I'm like, owie, fucking hell, Kirby, please! Do some real damn fucking damage! I don't remember being this weak! Man, this power-up sucks! Give me stone, fuck it at this point. Whee! No, I missed Yo-Yo. Well, I missed the one up, but that's fine. No. No. No, go in the door. Carefully, there we go. Maybe I don't like this game. Maybe this game is bad. We got wake up Chili Shanglong. Oh yeah, that thing. That's always fun. You whee down. Gotta fucking hurt. Give me the star. It's like you gotta get some like serious ass like road rash on your face or something for that. Yeah, I'll take fighter. Give it here. Hadouken! 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 Shoryuken! Guys, it doesn't have like the fire effects or anything on it yet, too. Like this is kinda lame. I kinda want it. There we go, suplex! Fucking thing from Pizza Tower, let's go! God, I'm so excited to play through Pizza Tower. That game looks sick. It's gonna be a fun playthrough. More one-ups because I'm clearly gonna fucking need them. I keep saying I'm gonna play like Yakuza like a dragon down here and then just have yet to like sit down and play it. That game's fun. Just need to actually, you know, continue it. I love just the visual style, like suplexing the fucking star. This little chicken dead. This chicken dead. Suplex. No. Soup. 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 I don't have. Oh, I don't have stone. Was there stone back there? Ruh-roh. Actually, wait, would it count if I suplex something into it? Nope. Well, he might have missed 100% because I had to come back here with a stone ability, and that's cringe. Is there seriously no stone anywhere? None? Yo, they had like the fucking like Sonic 2 thing as well? There's just no stone? Did we fuck up? Yo, no, okay, we're good. There's hammer. I was like, there's no way they did this on like the second sub game. But I might die. I don't remember this. Yo, wing it. Let's go. My name, the joke. Bro. Little assistance. Well. I died with a mouthful of bird. It's cringe. Yeah, shoot the projectiles. Yeah. Wee. Oh. It's always such like a fun goofy power up. You don't need it for anything in particular, but it does make your flying significantly better. Can I do them like the what's it? It wasn't dash attack. It was like the dive attack. Ah! I love the birds getting hit face. It's so good. Oh, I can. Yo, that's cool. You little motherfucker. go. Great magic. Fire dragon. I need to play more of the Fire Emblem games. I need to like finish the rest of the campaigns at 3 House, but I've been really fucking lazy about that. Yo, look at all these items. Let's go, boys. Ah. I see I've made a grave mistake. Oh, I love like the little like tack copy ability thing. It's so cool. And the mirror bump for Kirby is great. Yeah, copy is kind of a lame ability. No, no, leave my friend alone! Fucker! Put him down! I don't want to talk about it. I don't want to talk about it. Let's just move on. We're all grown men here, grown adults. I think that's my... I have to actually check the analytics of like the Wingit Plays channel because I'm not actually sure of what it is. I don't have Rising Upper! No! I don't like all like the cool abilities. Haha, I'm in danger. Yeah. It's like a mini boss rush. It is. Look at that, thank you. Oh no, it's the Quite Lily Poppy Bros Senior. Well, any more? Nope, we're good. Ah, the very last one. Really? Lame. And here's just another copy of Room, just to get a bunch of more abilities. If you want them. Oh, it's also a free place to get Crash. Interesting. Alright, Dan Blade, we're coming for you. Dooner Blade. Spear Doomer. Spare Doomers. Wait. I remember something. Is Suplex back at that ability room? It is. Fuck this. I remembered vaguely on the task there was like you get like a super quick kill on Dynablade with like one of your throws. I forget which one it is. I want to say it's the eat him out of the world. Thank you, Kirby. I remember, like, there being, like, a super quick kill I remember seeing. So, you know, I'm gonna fucking try it. Why not? Let's give it a shot. I think it was suplex. It might be, like, DS only. I might need something to grab onto is the thing. Oh no! Leave me alone! Let me go! Come on, you gotta drop like a star or something. God, they go away so fast! Oh, I still want to try with suplex, like, no. Let me fucking go! Damn it! Can I not grab onto that star? Or is that not a real star? Oh, you grab onto one of the air bullets, I bet. Ow. Ow. Fine. Ooh, fucking normally. I definitely recommend checking out the Kirby Superstar Ultra Task commentated. Because, like, that's like a super cool thing. Let me... How are you already dead? No! Trying to blanket. There. That animation looks so weird nowadays. Like, I remember being like super cool as a kid, but now it's just like, ugh. Quiet you. Oh, that one's struggling. Alright, thank you all for watching this episode of Kirby Superstar. I'll see you all in the next one. We take on the Gourmet Race and probably the other sub-game, the two little mini games down there. Bye.